Penny has found her new favourite perch. She's been perching there for the last 2 or 3 hours. I've just been into town and bought her some budgie seed. Hello, Penny. Do you like it up there? Penny's claws are getting too long, so I've got to take her to the vet in a couple of weeks. Got to save up about £50 for her. You have a nice time, Penny? Do you want to do some singing? Oh, she loves it there. You're going to be on YouTube, Penny. You're going to become famous. Woman, get your hair out of colours. Time to get your butt out of bed. Get down your hats and your baggage, my child. Going back home, getting back to the homestead. I'm gonna heat me some water. Put a shine upon my shoes. Telephone my market to above Joe's. 'Cause we're coming back to the homestead. Everything is packed, getting back to the homestead. That's a Hollies song called Gasoline Alley Bread from about 1970. Music group went well with Josh. I uploaded a song onto Instagram. I've had quite a few likes on it. You have a nice time, Penny. Do you like television?